Hello, I'm Alejandro Q. I will continue with my lesson plan. I want to start with my activities this time. Okay, what activities I have it planned? Okay, for introduction, I will explain the students the dynamic of the lesson. I'm going to show them some pictures of famous people and asking them who the person is, and then complete it with more information about the person. So, why he's important, where is he from, and general information. Then I'm going to explain to students that they have to research information about someone else, an important personality in the field that they have to choose in. They can choose any field, so they are free to choose a writer, they are free to choose singer, a politician, from sports, and depends of his kind of interest and intelligence. After action small groups, each group will be assigned a country chosen by lottery. The group will research a person from their particular country. Thus, the student will be research information in books or online. For independent practice, individually, students must answer some question at the end of the guided practice about the person they have chosen, like name, nationality, date of birth, profession, why the person is important, and why did the student choose him or choose her. I think the last question is the most important, or I'm most interested in that. For the closer, I will explain to students that they will need to present that information on their assigned person in the next class. They will need to bring a picture of the person. It's kind of homework. Why I have chosen these activities? To ensure the student understand the goals. That is the first one. So if they say some examples, if they reach for information, they can find biographies, interested biographies, so they will understand the goals of the lesson. The lottery is just a fun activity to make the assignment, to the student feel relaxed, and lottery is always a fun. It's always a fun way to start any lesson. Researching information in various sources allow the students to work in their different skills and intelligences. And the homework is so they have more time to prepare the class presentation. And also, all each students learn, share the information to their peers, know it as well. That is important. I will let the student share the information to all the group can learn more and have more knowledge about different people. In this, okay. The materials of the students we use internet, an electronic device, books, paper, or pencil. The internet and the electronic devices to looking for information, as well the books, and paper and pencil because I guess they want to take notes. The resources for this lesson that I will to use is pictures from the people, internet and electronic device, paper, pen, the blackboard, or the marker. Why have you chosen these materials? Because researching on the internet is the easier and a complete way to find information and looking for pictures. And to optimize the time class and writing a good and I think taking notes and summarizing is a good strategy to learn, memorize, and learn more. Okay, for the evaluation, the evaluation will consist in two assessments. The first one is the exit ticket, where is the questions. At the end of the guided practice, when the students can prove they have done the research by answering 5 questions about the information learned. The second evaluation will be the oral presentation, which will evaluate the students' knowledge about the topic. I will evaluate the way they synthesize and share the information and the way they use support material to support the presentation, and why they choose person. This will take next 2 or 3 days after the research to the oral presentation. Why I have choose this approach for evaluation? Okay, I have choose this approach for evaluation because through a list of writing questions, the students showed me how much they were focused on the biographies and how much they learned during the activities. Also, an oral presentation allows me to evaluate in just one assessment a lot of aspects such as a common core standard goals, how they communicate with their classmates, and allows me to review their different skills and the way they manage information. That is important.